What's good, YouTube? So here we are with my almost finished, I still got a few little things to do to this thing, to my almost done yard sale buy mini bike. So long story short, I want to tell you guys pretty much how much I have invested into this thing and how easy you guys can build one of these on the low. So to start off, I got my frame off a buddy of mine for $100. His dad picked it up at a yard sale for $30. He fixed the carb on the old engine, got it started. It was a 79cc. It was too weak. I was on the phone the next day. Hey, you still want this thing? Hell yeah, I said. But, you know, cost me $70 more, but hey, that's cool. $100 for a mini doodle or doodle bug, that's all good. And that's when I started building. So I got this Predator 212 from Harbor Freight, $100. And I will have all the parts that I've put on this in the description so that you guys can check it out and get what you guys want if you guys want to build one of these the way I have and for the price that I have. But yeah, here she is. So I'll have every item that I put, I'll have a picture of how much I paid for it with the items picture so you guys can see right here. So we'll start off with the air intake. So first, this was one of the first mods I did to it. I got the air intake, and it comes with a little bracket to hold in your choke. Super nice, gives it a clean look. I also got this gas tank. This was $20. It was like, yeah, $23, something like that. You guys can see right here. Then I also I got my brake, hydro brake. I put this hose right here for the valve cover. I need to put like a little catch can, but for now, just have it dropping down here. I got this hose with this tank. I had to buy this gas line separate for like another $3 at AutoZone. Then I bought this plate to rise the engine up so that it can give me some space right here. So that was for the torque converter, which was another upgrade that I did. Then I got a 40 chain sprocket also. It's a 40 teeth and a 40 chain. And I got this eBay also. All of this was purchased off of eBay, by the way. So this is an eBay built bike. I got this little exhaust pipe. It was painted black, but I guess it wasn't the paint wasn't heat resistant. Got all messed up right here. So I'll probably give it another coat. And then I did do a governor delete. Well, I saw some people doing that, so I went ahead and did that myself. Since they say that the torque converter governs the engine at 4,000 RPM, so even though I did that, you know, that'll govern it and it won't get too out of line. Then I also painted the tires. I got a little marker off of eBay. Painted the letters. This one's kind of rubbing off already. I'll have to redo that. I think that tire needs a little bit of air. And besides that, I used the stock throttle, which I need to upgrade this a little bit because it kind of pops. Hope you guys can hear that. And yeah, here's my build. So for a grand total of like $400 or $500, bike included, you can have this thing. I went for when it was stock. I'll throw in a clip right here when I first brought it home. I went down this hill right here on my driveway, maybe 5 miles an hour. But when I was coming back up the little hill right here on the street, it wasn't budging with me. And top speed was 39 miles an hour. I was with the engine all stock. Miles an hour. 36, 37, 38, 39. I didn't even have a good brake. I had the stock brake that sucked, man. So that's why I ended up getting this hydro brake, which works amazing. And yeah, so we'll compare the last ride, which was 39 miles an hour, to this new ride. I'm gonna get GPS on my phone and let's take her for a spin and let's see what she can do. Let me know in the comments anything you guys want to know about it, how I did stuff. I'll have, like I said, I'll have all the links to all the parts that I've done so that you guys can check them out and get them for yourselves. This gas tank it's really little. It's not a big tank. I did drill a little hole here for better flow. Not the best tank. It's or a catch can for radiator. I drilled into the frame right here to attach it. And also, when you guys get the brake, if you do get this hydro brake, I had to put spacers right here. Probably gonna build like a little plate, cut out a plate of metal to replace that, so that it's all across this and it sits better. But yeah, let's take this puppy out on a spin, see what you guys think. Alright guys, here we go. We got the speedometer on here. This will tell us our maximum, our average, and our current. We're just looking for the maximum. Sky's a little cloudy, but we're just gonna go around the block, so let's do this. Got a nice pocket right here on these pants. Turn this puppy on, turn our gas on, and I did have a little incident the other day where the gas got stuck because my gas line was stuck right here, and it got this stuck, and oh man, if I didn't have this brake, I wouldn't have been able to stop this thing. Alright, here we go. Crank this puppy up. We have the gas. Alright, so let me go ahead and put some gas in this thing real quick. I am going to get a filter for this fuel line. I want to get a different tank, but man, they're so damn expensive. This was only 20 bucks, you know? Kind of hard to beat a price like that. Alright, so nothing happened earlier when I cranked it, so I think it's safe to say that I don't have to put it next to a wall. Here we go. This thing is torquey. Whoop. Alright. I believe that I do have this as a stage 1. They consider that a stage 1. I haven't jetted the stock carb yet. Hopefully you guys can hear me. This thing is loud. Woo, woo. This thing is quick. Let's go through some back roads over here. But yeah, like I was saying, hopefully you guys can hear me. That exhaust is pretty loud. But man, so far this thing, I feel like if I gun it from the start, a torque converter is going to make me pop a wheelie. See how good these brakes work? Woo! Locking up that back tire. See that? She wants to get up. I say, you know what? Let's go check out the dirt road. And I tell you what though, with the previous brake, man, this hydraulic brake, it's a must. It brakes so good. Boom. I should probably do like I do have the old one. I could probably do a comparison. But let's go to the dirt road. These back roads are nice, man, long and straight. It's nice and cool, feeding that air, that cold air intake. Right before we enter the dirt road, I'll stop by and check what our max speed has been. Trail of Tears, historic route. Woo, that backfired. Alright, let's go ahead and check out speedometer. Hopefully it's been working. Oh man, maximum 58 miles an hour? What? Is this real? Good God. I felt like I was going fast, but damn, that's fast. For 500 bucks? Whoa. Man. Are you serious? 58 miles an hour? I'm stunned right now that this beast of a little bike did that speed, and I'm over here trying to get this thing to go faster. I think that's good enough. 58, that's almost 60 miles an hour for a little doodle bug. Man, if I get some street tires, I'll probably be going even faster. Holy crap, 58 miles an hour. I'm in disbelief. I can't believe this thing's that fast. Maybe because I'm wearing the helmet, it didn't feel like I was truly going that fast. But holy crap, 58 miles an hour. But alright, I've decided I'm gonna definitely, I gotta do the comparison. I gotta race the Kawasaki 125. I gotta race it. And that long stretch back there, I'm gonna have one of my brothers or one of my cousins or a friend or somebody come through, and we're gonna run these things. Let's go hit this dirt road for a little bit. Oh my goodness. Hell yeah. 58 miles an hour, buddy. Woo! It's that Ric Flair right there for you guys. Holding the brake because I don't want this thing to launch into that ditch. Tell you what, these tires, they definitely feel a little bit better right here in the dirt road. Still kind of slippery though, not gonna lie. Woo! It's still kind of sketchy though on the turns, you know, because it is loose gravel and you're on two wheels. But it does pull even on the dirt. Fresh eggs. Woo! Oh man, this is bumpy. Tell you what, this is nice, but not having suspension, it really takes a toll on your wrist and your butt. Let's lock that rear tire up. Yes, sir. Alright, let's go ahead and turn around right here. Kind of sketchy in this turn, actually. There's a big old vulture right there. Look at that big old bird. Jesus. What you eating down there, buddy? Let's go. Man. I do need to get a torque converter cover for this, though. It's kind of sketchy like that. The last thing I need is for that thing to catch my pant. You know? Gotta be dangerous. Oh man. Do I have a situation? A big old dog over there waiting for me. And I know he's gonna chase me. So I have two options. Go all around through here, or risk it and run right through his ass. Let's risk it. Is that a dog? It sure is. What y'all think? Oh, that's a big dog. It's like a mastiff or something. Oh, he's coming. Yeah. It ain't worth it. He's eyeing me down. I think going around will be the best. My best option. Let's get the hell out of here, boys. I tell you this, if I would have not seen that fucker, I would have flew right through there, just like I did on the way over here. And he's gone. This thing kind of handles all right, but man, the rocks throw you side to side. Your wrist kind of hurt from all the shaking. Yeah, look at this thing. Big old bridge. Cutting through the beautiful, beautiful back roads, dirt road area. Alright, we're gonna go get back on the main street. Get this puppy home. Right. Well, let's go home. Hopefully, we don't get pulled over. Got a big hill coming up. See how this torque converter takes us up there. Damn, she did pretty damn good. Kept a steady speed up that hill. Got a little downhill right here. So what? They sold that house? Damn, I always wanted that house. I wonder how much it sold for. Oh, look at this. Oh, you guys can see the vibration. See that thing? Oh yeah. That's the downside of not having any suspension. Get all them vibrations. There's a dog right there. That guy knew he can't catch me. And bam. So like I was saying, for under 500 bucks you could get you banging little bike, man. If you're willing to turn some wrenches, all I really needed was some socket wrenches and a drill, some drill bits. And that was it, man. That mounting plate, motor mount, man, that thing really helped out. If I can do it, anybody can do it, you know. Super easy build, awesome little bike. Can't beat it. Not for 500 bucks. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Definitely gonna do a race against the Z125, see what this thing can do. But for now, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you guys have questions about. And for now, peace.